In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on WordPress. If you need to make a quick change to a page on your website, WordPress makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open a page, access the editor, and update the text you want to change. To get started, go to WordPress and sign in to your dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your site's content, layout, and settings. If you're already logged in, you should be taken directly to the admin area. Once you're inside WordPress, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. This section contains all the pages on your site, such as your home page, about page, contact page, or any landing pages you've created. It's important to choose Pages here because that's where static website content is usually managed. After that, select the page you want to edit. You'll see a list of available pages and you can click on the one that contains the text you need to update. If you have a lot of pages on your site, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one before moving forward. That can save you from accidentally editing the wrong part of your website. Next, click on Edit. This opens the page in the WordPress editor where you can make changes to the content. Depending on how your site is set up, the editor may look slightly different, but the general idea is the same. You're entering the area where the page content can be updated. Now click on the text you want to change. Once you place your cursor in the text area, you can delete, rewrite, or add new wording as needed. Take your time here and read through the surrounding content so your update fits naturally with the rest of the page. If you're changing a heading, a sentence, or a paragraph, make sure the wording stays clear and consistent with your site's overall tone. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to review your edits carefully before leaving the page. Check spelling, grammar, spacing, and formatting to make sure everything looks the way you want. Small details can make a big difference in how professional your website feels. And that's how to edit text on WordPress. Once you've opened the right page and clicked into the text, updating your content is quick and easy.